Hello friends, welcome to Algebra 1 course. Algebra is fundamental topic of mathematics. It is the building block of higher mathematical concepts. After completing this course, you will be able to handle algebraic expressions, solve inequalities and linear equations, understand and develop skills in graphing, develop skills in factoring methods, manipulate rational expressions and solve complicated problems in algebra. This course is divided into units. In the first unit, you will study fundamentals of algebraic expressions, in which you will understand what numbers, fractions, and exponents are and how to graph them and manipulate expressions. In Unit 2, you will study inequalities and linear equations, where you will understand and gain skill to solve inequalities and linear equations. Also, the ability to graph them. In Unit 3, you will study basics of graphing. You will be able to identify different types of graphs, draw graphs of linear equation, and evaluate the slope of line. In Unit 4, you will study fundamentals of polynomial and polynomial arithmetic. You should be able to identify a polynomial from other types of expressions, simplify and perform basic arithmetic operations on them. In Unit 5, you will study about methods of factoring, where you will learn the skill of different methods of factoring. In Unit 6, you will learn skill of solving rational equations. You will be able to simplify and perform arithmetic operations on rational equations and solve them. In Unit 7, you will study system of equations. It is mainly about solving the linear equations through graphing or by using elimination techniques. The Unit 8 is about radical expressions and equations. You will learn how to solve complex radical expressions and equations in this unit. In Unit 9, which is the last unit, you will study quadratic equations. Here you will understand solve a quadratic equation using various techniques and identify different functions. Each of the unit is divided into several lessons, and there are some books I have recommended to learn if you are interested in exploring more on these topics. The links are given in the description. To check your understanding, each lesson also has quiz so that you can check your understanding. So thank you for watching. Please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will see you in the next video.